What's going on, everybody? We're out here today at one of the bush camps. Figured I'd give you guys a look at how I have the Hill People Gear kit bag set up. For the rig itself, pretty sure this is the original. From what I can remember, they have a lot of models, but it's the one without any MOLLE, and it's about medium size. I have big hands, and it's loaded out pretty good, but give you guys a look at it. I did a video on this before, but I just want to get a little more detailed and show you how I'm running this right now, because I've been running it for a while. So on the outside of the pack, there's MOLLE on the bottom. I just got an old SOG Seal pup that I had laying around, put on the bottom of that, so I got a fixed blade knife on the kit all the time. And then I also have a Hank paracord hanging from Grimlock up top, and then hanging from the other side, tucked in the back, I have my Spot X, the satellite messenger. And while I'm back there, I might as well open the back pocket for you. So in the back, I got my Ruger LCR shrouded in a sticky holster right now. It comes out clean with the draw. Typically, I run a trigger guard holster through the bottom and hook to that, but today I just pulled that out of my pocket and stuck it right in here. So in the back, since everything's flat in here, I also have some toilet paper, flat compass, there's backup, and a space blanket. All that is just kind of stowed in this back compartment. You can see you put Velcro on here for a holster as well. For the second pocket here, this back part is MOLLE and its hook and loop. I haven't added anything onto that yet. For the past couple years, I've just been kind of carrying my stuff in here as is. Maybe that'll change, I don't know, but right now I'm pretty happy with how I have it set up. So, sitting right up top, got the Garmin eTrex 22. That's a new GPS for me. I had an original eTrex that I used for a long time. Don't need to talk about that. Some extra batteries for my headlamp and some other devices and stuff in here. I got pace beads hanging off the top, and then tucked in this pouch, I carry this kit and everything, so it's no surprise to you guys that see my videos. I got my primary compass, signal mirror, protractor, water purification tablet, space blanket, VS17 panel, some refills for my Outdoor Edge razor knife, and maybe a couple things stuck in there, as well as I got wet wipes tucked in this pocket too. So last but not least, that leaves us with this interior pocket, and in here I got a lot of stuff going on. So if you so desired, you could hang stuff from these little hangers in here, and there's also some interior organization pockets. So in this pocket I have a knife sharpener and my headlamp, just kind of shoved down in those. And this pocket is kind of my fire kit. So I got a ferro rod, waterproof matches, cigarette lighter, some cotton balls soaked in Vaseline. So that stuff is laid out in these two pouches right there. And then just tucked into the pouch, I have an MRE spoon, Hank paracord on the inside, chem light, and my life straw. So I also have a roll of electrical tape in there too. So that's how this kit's set up right now. Gives me the ability to have some survival supplies on me, in addition to the stuff I'm carrying on my person. Just a little bit more robust of a rig, coupled with everything else I'm carrying.